Hello everyone! Welcome to our completed project by our interior fit out and design, your trusted partner. Today, we are proud to showcase this beautifully finished home at Dika Homes. Every detail was carefully planned and expertly crafted to match our client's vision, combining style, comfort, and functionality. A heartfelt thank you to the homeowner for trusting us with your dream space. It has been our pleasure to bring your ideas to life. If you're planning to renovate, upgrade, or transform your home, office, or commercial spaces, we are here to help. From concept and design to complete interior fit out, our team is committed to delivering quality workmanship and exceptional results. Contact us today and let's create a space you love for years to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of our completed project videos. Bye bye. Have a good day and have a wonderful weekend.